Monday, February 26. At the beginning of the next trading week by 7 a.m., we can expect to see statistics on Singapore industrial production. The indicator reflects the percentage change in the real output of factories, mines and utilities in the state in the reporting month compared to the previous month. The growth of industrial production may have a positive impact on the Singapore dollar. In addition, already at 5 p.m. the United States will report on new home sales, the absolute volume of home sales in the state in monetary terms, and for the reporting month, new single-family homes sold are taken into account. Excluded from the estimate are homes built by landowners and homes built for rental. An increase in the indicator may have a favorable effect on the dollar. Tuesday, February 27. On this day, financial players will be able to get information on core durable goods orders by 3:30 p.m. Such goods are understood as those with a useful life of more than 3 or more years. Machinery, equipment, etc. Products of vehicle manufacturers are excluded from the calculation. The growth of the indicator may have a positive impact on the dollar. At 5 p.m., the Consumer Confidence Index will also be reported by the country. The indicator reflects the level of consumer confidence in the stability of the economy. It is based on data from a monthly survey of about 3,000 households and is designed to assess the financial condition of the average consumer, his purchasing power and confidence in the market. An increase in the index above the forecasted level could cause short-term upward volatility in the dollar. Wednesday, February 28. At the equator of the week at 3 a.m., New Zealand will publish statistics. To be more precise, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will announce the interest rate decision. It is made every 6 weeks. Setting the interest rate is one of the main instruments of monetary policy, with the help of which the central bank of the state regulates the strength of its currency. The growth of the indicator may have a positive impact on the New Zealand dollar. At 10:30 a.m., Hong Kong will report gross domestic product. The percentage change in the total value of all goods and services. Imported goods and services are excluded from the calculation of this indicator. The figures are seasonally adjusted and may be revised when new data become available. GDP growth may have a positive impact on the Hong Kong dollar. Thursday, February 29. On the last day of winter, by 10 a.m., information about the GDP of Switzerland will appear. In this state, it is calculated by value added, the difference between total income and material costs of production. Stable and steady GDP growth means stability of both economic and financial system. Therefore, it can positively influence the Swiss franc. At 3:30 p.m., Canada will inform about a similar indicator. The calculation of GDP of this country includes taxes on products, but it does not include any subsidies to the enterprise, which are not included in the cost of production. For the calculation, data on the activities of 192 industries are used. An increase in the indicator may have a favorable effect on the Canadian dollar. Friday, March 1. The first day of spring will bring financial players data on manufacturing purchasing managers' indices. China will be the first to report at 3 a.m. Its calculation is based on the results of a monthly survey of purchasing managers of 3,000 industrial enterprises in the Celestial Empire. The index value above 50 indicates a general growth of business activity in the industrial sector, and below 50 indicates a decline. The changes may affect the yuan exchange rate. After that, at 5 p.m. the United States will reveal the same indicator. The index is calculated based on the results of a survey of representatives of several hundred companies from 18 industries of the US manufacturing sector. The obtained values are adjusted for seasonal fluctuations. The index is released earlier than GDP and reports of the Bureau of Labor Statistics, so it serves as a leading indicator. Its growth is usually positively reflected in the American dollar.